Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to try and recreate what Mary Catherine from Mary Catherine's Table claims is a world famous squash casserole. So I know a lot of people are getting squash in from their gardens, so I thought we need a squash recipe. Okay, so I'm just going to get these chopped up. I'm also going to get a medium Vidalia onion chopped up, and we're just going to put that in a pot to boil for about 12 minutes. Just going to cut the ends off, and we just need them in slices. We only need about 3 or 4 for this recipe. I'm going to cut them in half. We're going right in the pot with these. She also said that even if you don't like squash, that you're going to love this recipe. So I can't wait to find out. And the onion just has to be cut in I would kind of cut it in smaller chunks, just so you don't get a real big bite of onion. I think I'm going to switch pots. This one filled up quick. We're going to cover this up with water and add a little bit of salt. Okay, while the squash is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get the filling mixed up. So it's 1 cup of sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 2 cups of shredded cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar. And 1 box of stovetop stuffing. The chicken flavor. Okay, now we have to drain our squash and onions. I'm going to pour it right into my colander, and we want to drain it really well. Whoops. Okay, now we mix this in, the other ingredients. Smells wonderful. Okay, I'm going to spray a baking dish. We're going to just pour this right in. Oh, this looks so good. All right. Last thing, we're going to mix 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers in with about 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to melt my butter first. That's maybe 2. And we're going to sprinkle this right on top. Beautiful. Now, this goes into a 350 oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. Ooh, it's out of the oven. Looks really good. Okay, let's give this a try, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. I would make this again and again. The stovetop stuffing mix, I think, is the secret ingredient. You don't really get a strong squash taste, but oh, it is really good. It's comfort food. You guys give this one a try. Thanks for joining me on Recreate the Plate.